안녕하세요 여러분, 저희는 지금 나야가라 폴스 다운타운이라는 곳에 나와 있습니다. 뒤에 보시면 캐나다라고 표시가 되고 있는데요, 저희는 지금 캐나다에 나와서 사람들과 인터뷰를 하고 있는데요, 한국어에 대해서 퀴즈를 내고 있습니다. 자, 그러면 여기 다운타운에 나와 계시는 관광객들 분에게 한번 한국어 퀴즈를 내보고 반응이 어떤지 한번 알아보겠습니다. 오늘의 단어는 대박입니다. 얼마나 많이 아시는지 한번 물어보러 가겠습니다. 가실까요?
Set me on fire, striking a match on our lips, hot like June, cutting the wire, shutting the lights off in this room. Don't you feel it too? Heartbeat go like boom, boom, boom.
네, 안녕하세요. 우리는 나야가라 폴스에 나와 있습니다. 오늘 여기 친구분들이 같이 나와 계신데 인터뷰를 한번 시작해 볼게요. 한국에 대해서 질문을 해볼게요. Hello guys, we are from Korea.
Hi.
Hi.
So we all are like from India, but we are studying here.
Oh,
Yeah.
My name is Aniket.
Hi, I'm Simran and I'm with them.
okay.
I forgot to say my name. My name is Rishi.
Nice meeting you guys.
Nice to meet you as well.
Yeah. We are from Korea and we are informing our language and our culture to people. And thank you for joining us. How do you think of Korea? If you hear about Korea, what comes to your mind first?
Korean fried chicken.
If I see like I can like say maybe animes, K-pop,
K-pop.
yeah, all that stuff. Like yeah, that's very trending right now. Blackpink or something like that, right? I don't know them, but yeah, I've heard about BTS and all. Yeah, I heard about it.
BTS?
I heard about it. I'm not a fan, but I heard about them.
Thank you.
Alright.
And what about you?
Me, I think Korean skincare.
Oh.
It has to be there.
If you visit Korea, what do you want to do?
I'm gonna go there and contact you. Then you show me around.
I will eat the food.
Oh.
Everything I can eat, anything. I just like food.
Now, I'm gonna give you a quiz about Korea or Korean language. If you give us the right answer, we prepared a prize. Okay, good luck. Let me say Korean first. We have a term, we have a word in Korea, daebag.
Daebag?
Deba.
Yeah. We say some situation, daebag. Can you take a wild guess what the meaning of daebag in English?
Shock.
Shock?
Shock.
Shock?
Shock.
Oh, very close, very close.
Oh really? Taba.
Oh, really?
Taba? I'm on a Korean TV. Taba.
Can you show me what do you think of daebag? Your expression?
Like daebag?
Yeah. Can you show me?
Yeah, Deba.
Yeah. Actually, I'm very close, but I'm gonna give you 3 choices. So you can pick one. First, it's great, awesome. Second, I'm tired. Number 3, I'm sleepy.
First one. First one. I'm
I'll
tired.
go with the first one.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
100%?
Yeah.
Yes, it was a great answer. The prize goes to you. Yes. Before making this show, I just heard that this is today is your birthday. Congratulations
Thank you
on
very
your
much.
birthday.
Thank you.
I hope you have a good time with your friend. Here comes your prize. There you go. So we are called Normal Korean, and there is a QR code. You can scan it, and then you can watch your video on YouTube next month.
Next one.
Yes. Yeah.
We are going to share your channel as well with among our friends.
Yeah.
Before you go, please follow me. 대박!
Daebag.
Bye bye.
Bye bye guys.
Thank you.
Let me tell you about daebag. Daebag is a Korean slang word that means awesome, amazing, jackpot, or it's great, depending on the context. It is commonly used to express excitement, surprise, or admiration for something impressive or unexpected. Originally, the word daebag referred to hitting the jackpot in gambling, but in modern usage, it is often used to react to good news or something extraordinary. People can say daebag when they see something impressive, hear surprising news, or experience great luck. Let's talk about it together. daebag, daebag, daebag.
오늘 배워본 단어인 대박. 대박은 영어로 It's great, It's awesome, 긍정의 뜻을 갖고 있는데요. 오늘은 대박에 대해서 배웠기 때문에 여기 계신 분들이 대박에 대해서 어느 정도는 알고 가실 거라고 기대해 봅니다. 다음 장소로 이동을 해서 계속해서 한국어에 대해서 알려보도록 하겠습니다. 그러면 다음 영상에서 뵙도록 하겠습니다. 가시죠!